Don't know if you know what that means. Can you hear it? We're pouring concrete. I don't know if you noticed, they don't ever quit. They never quit. Always constant. But living long enough, you know, it's like living next to railroad tracks. You don't hear it anymore. Okay, so I got them to explain to me. What it is that the first thing is a test. They add a water, and then the second test, and they add a water again, and this is the third one, and this is the one that flows. And now he's vibrating it in to the edges to get under the step for that step board for the edge for the building. I don't know if you're hearing the tone, but they're using the laser to get the center right, center height right. I was wondering how they did that. That's pretty cool. Okay, the reason they're starting over there is because that's where the first pour was, and that's been here the longest. So they're starting on this edge, they'll work over to this edge, and then they'll finish up with the last little bit right here, which is the last 2 yards, but just this section right here. So, and right now it's kind of set up because it's leaving tracks where he's standing. It's just a little soft on the top. That's just the skim, but it's setting up really nice. And right now it's 10 o'clock. We started at 6. So they said we'll be done by noon. Well, we're not going to be done by noon. The weather is so nice. It's like 82 degrees right now. We got sunshine, not a cloud in the sky, as you can see, sun. But because it's not hot, it's taking longer for it to dry and for it to set up. So we're going to be a little longer than normal, which is fine. It's part of it. But like they were telling me that weather, sunshine, overcast with sun shining, temperature, humidity, everything affects the cure time. She's curing out real nice. She's turning gray. We got the boards off, and this is the form getting fixed up for the lean-to right here, which looks like we're pouring it tomorrow. And we're setting up the forms for, this is the little porch piece for the man door, which goes right there, right here, man door. And then this is going to be the approach. We're going to go out, come across. And then it's going to come straight out from the edge of the building out there, just like that. And that's going to be the approach. And we're just dealing with the laser. Am I in your way? Yep. You don't get in the way of the laser. Hey, if you're here and you're watching, smash that like button. If you can see, I'm standing on my new pad. All right. So if you're still here, like, share, subscribe, smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. Y'all have a great day. Because great day today will be, guess what? A pad in the morning. Oh, don't forget, Thursday Night Lives. There's going to be a big thing tomorrow night. I'm going to put this out tonight. There's going to be we're doing a giveaway. You're going to want to show up for the live tomorrow. Y'all be good.